Welcome back to Dream Cars. Specs for the upcoming 2026 Mercedes Benz S-Class have surfaced, and Mercedes was spotted testing a prototype of the vehicle late next year. Debuting in 2020 as a 2021 model, the W223 is Mercedes' current generation premium sedan. Although this upgrade is 1 year late, Mercedes usually releases updates to its cars every 4 years, which is usually when the automaker's vehicle life cycle reaches its halfway. Given that the company has recently decided to continue selling gas-powered cars beyond 2030, the date they had originally anticipated the S-Class will be, this indicates that the current S-Class has a longer lifespan. An entirely electric label. Mercedes may benefit from delaying the release of electric vehicles for a little longer by keeping the gas-powered versions on sale. This would give the company time to assess the demand for electric vehicles and possibly design a gas-powered replacement to its current lineup. Rumor has it that Mercedes is planning to give the current S-Class generation one last upgrade before it's replaced by an electric successor, just like they did with the GLE-Class and GLS-Class, to make them last longer on the market. A spy photo of a 2026 Mercedes S-Class shows off the car's massive grille and dazzling headlights. In 2026, the S-Class will make its debut. The S-Class is offered in the US with two mild hybrid powertrain options, a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 and a 4.0-liter V8 with twin turbochargers. A plug-in hybrid powertrain might be a part of the updated S-Class when it's introduced. While Mercedes-Benz was testing the updated S-Class, a pre-production vehicle was sighted. Also covered are other sections of the dashboard, revealing enhancements there too. This prototype will undergo numerous alterations, including a new fascia design and revised taillights. An internal combustion engine S-Class is probably not going to be offered in the future generation, so keep that in mind. The premium Mercedes models will start making the switch to an EV platform in 2025, and by 2030, the automaker plans to sell entirely electric vehicles. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class has undergone a number of revisions. Preparation for a complete redesign in 2026 through small feature updates and enhancements. Thanks for watching.